Hello student, my name is Deepika. Welcome to our Deepika Science classes. Today we will discuss class 8th chapter 15 Reaching the Age of Adolescence. साइंस का चैप्टर 15 आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे. इसके शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टेट द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म अडोलेसेंस. अडोलेसेंस की टर्म बतानी है इसमें हमने. द पीरियड ऑफ ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड टू अडल्टहुड इज कॉल्ड अडोलेसेंस. चाइल्डहुड से अडल्टहुड का जो पीरियड होता है उसे हम कहते हैं अडोलेसेंस पीरियड. नेक्स्ट है डिफाइन प्यूबर्टी and state the various factors which influence it. The initial phase of adolescence is marked by certain dramatic changes in the body. This period is called puberty. Proper diet, genes, and environment influence this period. Next, why are endocrine glands known as ductless gland? इसे हम ductless glands क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि बिकॉज एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स डायरेक्टली रिलीज द सिक्रेशन इन ब्लड स्ट्रीम. क्योंकि एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स जो हैं अपना सिक्रेशन जो है वो डायरेक्टली ब्लड के अंदर रिलीज करती है, इसलिए हम इसे डक्टलेस ग्लैंड कहते हैं. हैंस दे आर कॉल्ड डक्टलेस ग्लैंड्स. नेक्स्ट, वाई डू टेडपोल ग्रोइंग इन आयोडीन डेफिशिएंट वाटर्स फील टू ग्रो इन टू फ्रॉग्स? आयोडीन इज एन important component of thyroxine, and thyroxine is necessary for metamorphosis of tadpole into frog. Deficiency of iodine in water results in deficiency of the hormone thyroxine. This result in failure of metamorphosis of tadpole into frogs. Next question, question number 5. How does the pituitary gland control the maturation of the gonads? So answer, pituitary gland secretes gonadotropic hormone which stimulates the development of gonads. Next, question number 6. Women above the age of 50 are unable to give birth to children. Explain the reason for the same. Menstruation cycle generally ceases in women by the time they attain the age of 50. This marks end of reproductive phase. Hence, women above the age of 50 are generally unable to give birth to children. Next, long question answer. Question number first, and lists the changes which occurs in males and females during puberty. First, changes in the males: voice become deep, body becomes muscular, shoulder become broad, hairs grow on face. Next, female changes in females: first, hips become wide, breast get enlarged, menstruation begins, hair develops under armpit and public region. Next, question number 2. Arun and his sister Arunima are both teenagers. Arunima observes swelling on her neck, following which she visits a doctor. The doctor identifies it to be a deficient disease and prescribes medicine accordingly, along with suggesting dietary modification. A few months later, Arun observes small protrusions in his throat and visits the doctor. However, the doctor assures him that it is a normal feature in boys of his age. First, A. Identify the disease Arunima was suffering from along with its cause. Arunima is suffering from goiter, which happens because of deficiency of iodine. Next, why do you think that no medication was prescribed for Arun? Adam's apple has developed in Arun. It is a normal development in boys. Hence, Arun does not need medications. Next, discuss how the sex of unborn child gets determined in human beings. Answer, the somatic cell in human beings contain 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of the 23 pair contains sex chromosomes. Each sperm or an egg contains 23 chromosomes. The 23 chromosomes in a sperm can either be X or Y chromosome. The 23rd chromosome in an egg is always an X chromosome. When a sperm with X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote develops into a female child. When a sperm with Y chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote develops into a male child. Next question. Question number 4. Enlist the events that regularly occurs in the female reproduction system after the onset of puberty until menopause. The cycle of events which generally happens over every 28 days is called menstruation cycle. One egg from either of the ovaries becomes mature at the beginning of a menstruation cycle. The egg is released by ovary and it reaches the oviduct. The uterus prepares for possible pregnancy by making a thick lining of blood vessels. If fertilization does not take place, then at the end of the cycle, the egg along with the lining of uterus is shed in fragments. All these matter are released out through the vagina. This is called menstruation. Menstruation lasts for 3 to 6 days. Next question. Highlight the importance of exercise and good personal hygiene during adolescence. Answer is the exercise is necessary for people of every age group, but an adolescent needs to do regular exercise in order to keep the body in good condition. It helps in attaining optimum growth. Adolescence period is the period of increased activity of sebaceous glands and sweat glands. This often causes the problem of pimples and acne. Body odor can be another problem and bit of the oily skin. Maintaining good personal hygiene helps in preventing these problems. Girls should take special care of hygiene during menstruation. So our chapter is complete. So thank you and have a nice day.